Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Hey, did you get in there? Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. Today we have something from ArmyandOutdoors.com. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items on their store site. Again, ArmyandOutdoors.com. Let's go ahead and check this out. Let's get you out of the way here. So they do ship internationally via DHL. As you can see, I've gone ahead and taken the manifest out to make it a little easier and started opening the bag. Let's finish it off right here. And let's go ahead and we didn't get too much this time. It's actually pretty bulky stuff. So let's see about this. I'll take out some space. Let's get this out of the way real quick. What we have here is a British Army Osprey bottle and DPM pouch. So if you know how this latch works, you pull that up and then this comes off of that, and then this one has some more Velcro on top of that. There. So there's our label. And you have a bottle in here that's got a cup. So keep away from heat or flame. An Osprey and our cat number right there. So get some of this glare off there. Let's see if I can take this off. Wow, we're getting reflections from everywhere today. Okay. I don't think I can get that light up. Maybe. Well, look at that. Okay. That's a little bit better. And we might be able to take that out of the equation. Now we need that. Okay. See how the handles are attached. So, some heat welding. And the caps hold it in. Let's see, the bottle itself. Again, same warnings. Osprey looks like 2016 mold mark there. This one, on the other hand, says 1999. See that right there. 2016. Whatever. I'm probably not going to use it for much anyways. Purely for display purposes. Okay, so let's just make sure this goes back together. So, okay, so if you notice, there's also this inside of here, which you can put like purification tabs, flavor packets, coffee packets, sugar, possibly even the MRE too. Keep it from flopping around. This falls back down. Okay, and that goes over that, and then this secures it like that. So, moving along. Next item out of the bag. Let's do the good one, I guess. So previously I had ordered a Parka that came without a liner, and this supposedly is supposed to be a liner to match it. So this is a German Army Parka liner large, 110 centimeters. We do have a pocket across the front, slightly angled. Zipper pull, nice, works. Nothing in there. No buttons, slightly elasticized. Don't feel anything in there. Nothing there, no extra. Turtleneck zip. There's our zipper markings. Up the right down front. Right. 1997. Nice. Alright, so venting in the pits area. No inner pockets, so I can see zipper only goes down to here. Drawstring with cord lock. Same on this side. Slightly elasticized hem because of the drawstring. And on the back is just the quilting pattern, and it does appear to be ripstop. Very nice. Alright, moving along, just a couple more items. What we have here is a M84 Swiss Canteen and Cup. Starting to build on the Canteen collection. Come on. Tight fit. Okay, there is wiggle. Let's do the easy, low-hanging fruit first. Work with me. Yeah. Okay, it's just age. There's our squirt top. It is quite a nice fit. That was pretty tight on there too. Okay, no life forms that I can see. Good start. Always wash that out. I don't plan on using it for anything. This is on there. Well, that came off. Oh, I have movement. Well, obviously somebody didn't have a lot of drinks, or he had a lot of something sticky in there. Oh, there we go. Now, just needed some persuading. It's very clean, actually. So that wasn't an issue. In fact, this actually looks kind of new. It just looks like storage wear. Huh. I wonder what that was all about. Well, it comes off now. Nice. And lastly, last item is 2 pieces. DPM. British Army DPM Shoulder Holster. So put it right flat. And the sun number. Looks like multi-positional thumb lock. Interesting. Nope, not multi-positional. Observe. Okay, so there's thumb lock, and then the flap, snap, which is very stiff. Okay, check condition. Condition's good. This may be totally new. I don't think that's ever been put on there. Yep, that was a new snap. Very interesting. Okay, we have Velcro, Snog Mag pouch, adjustable for height. Sorry, I don't care of you. Top here. That is a okay, so this whole thing can disassemble that way. We have this. Here's our rig for our shoulder. We'll have to figure this out on camera. So this is hanging off your shoulder like this on the left side. You have a buckle coming around. Oh, Yogi. You definitely have one here. This goes down to your belt. This could attach to your belt right here, Molly or Alice, either one. And this onto here. This will dangle from here, and this hooks across your body. So you have that at least for your chest strap. Across the shoulder. Right. I don't really want to take too much time figuring this out on camera. I'll go in depth. Plus, the website has an actual photo of it all set up, so that'd be the easiest way to check it out. So, working our way backwards, British Army DPM Shoulder Holster. It can also be fitted onto your web belt. We have a M84 Swiss Canteen and Cup, which we eventually got off the bottom. No issues. Also had the German Army Parka Liner Large, as we started off with the British Army Osprey bottle and DPM pouch. So these all came from ArmyandOutdoors.com. Feel free to check them out. They got lots of stuff on their website. Feel free to check out our other unboxing or unbagging videos on the channel. We also do more specific show and tell and book review videos, starting those up as well. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.